reversing into one on this side.
Opposite ones.
Yeah, so don't get your reference yet, put it in reverse gear and then find your reference. What are you going to do first?
I'm going to check first.
Yeah. Good. Just going in the middle. What you're going to do, that's it, slow it down. That's it. Alright, not bad. It's close to this side. You got more space on yours than this, but the wheel is in, isn't it? Don't do anything, leave it. Okay? Right, we'll drive out, we'll go this way. Always go forward and then drive out, yeah? Off we go.